I am happy to share that IMMAST is creating training programs for various disciplines in the challenging pandemic times, where entire curriculum is covered in two modules. The first module will contain didactic lectures for anatomy and operative approaches and unedited surgical videos. The second module will be hands-on at the IMMAST lab on animal tissue models in the state-of-art labs. This innovative model of training, created to meet this turbulent and challenging time in-house environment for the trainees during the second module, will therefore be spent in the labs maintaining proper COVID safety protocol.